How to fix camera glitch in Roblox Mobile. Welcome to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this tutorial. If you are facing such issue, this issue can be solved with simple tips and trick. Firstly, press and hold onto your camera app and head over to your app info. Force stop it, then head over to storage and cache and tap on clear cache. This will fix the bug or the glitch issue. Next, if the issue still persists, you can head back from here. Open up your Play Store. Search for your Roblox application. It is to ensure that your Roblox is up to date. If there is any update, leave it for an update. If not, you can head back from here as well. For the third step, it is pretty simple. Press and hold onto your Roblox application and head to App Info. Force stop it, head over to storage and cache and clear it up. Last but not the least, open up your phone settings. Scroll down to see for your system update. Make sure that your system is up to date so that it is compatible with the latest feature of your app. By this way, you'll be able to fix your camera glitch in Roblox Mobile. That's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.